process, given the different psychology between men and women, what's the proper way to learn the mentality of the opposite gender to better communicate in marriage?
I think that's our sages. They describe actually what the character of the woman and character of the man, and you have to learn the Torah. So from the Torah, you like from what our sages say, you see how different we are, and you're not obligated to understand because many times you're not going to understand, but you have to accept. So me personally, I do not understand like how my car works, right? How come what exactly when I switch the ignition, like what exactly happening? I know there is a sound and stuff like that, but I don't know all the details. But I know that it works. So same with this relationship. You're not obligated to know like all of the details. Why is this? Why is that? But you know that if you're going to do this, so reaction most likely is going to be like that. Right, and you learn what not to do. So I mean, if you like ask this more like give more specific situation, we can explain. But in general, yeah, you learn from Torah. You don't learn from the street. From street, I mean, all of the psychologists of the world, professors.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.